I'm Mihela. Today we'll be talking about a tiny flycatcher that has the word canary in it. The grey-headed canary flycatcher. The grey-headed canary flycatcher, sometimes known as the grey-headed flycatcher, is a species of small flycatcher-like bird. An unmistakable, dainty woodland flycatcher with a slightly peaked head shape. Found in tropical Asia. It has a grey head and upper breast with a narrow white eye ring. Upper parts are olive green, breast and belly are bright yellow. An active member of mixed species foraging flocks, but also seen singly or in pairs. Their calls are like locally named Alu His Kaha Masimara. I have not seen the grey-headed canary flycatcher. You can see them in mountain areas of Sri Lanka, including Adams Peak Mountain. The Adams Peak or Sri Padha is Sri Lanka's most religious mountain. It is pilgrimaged by Buddhists, Christians, Muslims and Hindus alike. These are some of the pictures of our recent trip to Adams Peak.